Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today, I'm pretty excited about this one. I have a new product that I want to show you. Now I saw this on Big Lew's barbecue channel, and I'll have a link to it. I saw him do this cook. He kind of had it off to the side, and I messaged him and I said, dude, what is that thing? I want to know more about that. And then he did another video of it. And when I saw that video, I said, I got to order me one of those. So I went out to Amazon and I ordered me one. And now I'm pleased to bring it to you. We're going to do our first cook on it, and it's going to be awesome. I hope. We'll find out. You know, I'm just a backyard guy, so hopefully I don't screw it up. But anyhow, what I bought was this right here. Prawns or shrimp cast iron pan cooker. And I have it right here in my hands. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It's going to be awesome. Let's take a little closer look at this thing. Okay, what we have here is a cast iron shrimp holder. And I've got a bunch of shrimp that I went and deveined and cleaned up. And what happens is these sit down in here like a little boat, and it grills them up. Now, I followed the instructions on the back and how to season it. Even though it came in seasoned, I went ahead and followed these instructions where I put it in the oven at 400 degrees. I kind of used a Crisco, and I wiped it all down, so I've got lard on it. And I put it in there for 2 hours, and I just let it bake. So it's now nicely seasoned. What we're going to do is we're also going to use garlic herb butter tonight for these shrimp. And I'll show you how this all goes together here in a few minutes. The grill's outside heating up. We're going to do these up on the Weber kettle. What we need to do is take this, once that grill's up to temp, and get this on it so it heats this up. So let me show you how I'm going to prepare the shrimp here. Nice big shrimp. Look at the size of those babies. And let me show you how I'm going to season those up, and then we'll get this out there on the old grill. Okay, here you see I have a baking sheet over a pan, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my shrimp, just lay them out here like so. Now we'll probably have to do these in shifts. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, as I've got so many of these shrimps, might even have to do a couple of these on kebab sticks, but we'll get this first one done. So what I want to do now is, you know, I'm all about that Pit Boss hickory bacon. This is good stuff. I'm just going to take it, sprinkle it on these shrimp. Now we'll flip them over and hit the other side. All we're going to do is just set these on a plate for now. What goes well with shrimp? Steak. So we got our steak over there. Let's get our shrimp pan down in here. And what we're going to do is, I got that garlic and herb butter here. See where we're at. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to take it, I'm going to drop one of these. Try to get one in each one of these. Oh, you hear that sizzle? So, see if we can do this quicker with our hands. Oh. Get one back there. Sometimes you just have to use your hands and call it good. So I cut this butter into cubes, just seeing if that would help. Then what we're going to do, just so you have an idea, we take our shrimp and we set it in there. Shouldn't take these very long. Like that. And we'll get a better picture of this once I get this all done. This really does smell good. I'm telling you guys. Get another one there. Put a couple on the top so it kind of melts down around it. So alright. Let's get the rest of our shrimp on there. Get these all in here. So this thing holds 22 shrimps, and I have 24. Look at there. So we're going to just take a couple of these last two and set them over there. So you get a better idea of what we got going on. What do you think? Let our lid on there and let them go for 10 minutes or so, and then we'll come out and check them. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's have a quick look at this. Oh, look at those shrimp. Oh, aren't those beautiful? Zoom in on them. Look at those. Pause right there for a picture. Steaks are just about done. Flip them over, look at that. Let's get these to the house. Those look amazing. Oh yeah. Great shrimp. All right, let's take a look at this shrimp. Wow, it's still pretty warm too, so. But look at that. Perfectly cooked all the way down. Can't wait to try one of these. Let's get in and try one of these. Okay, let's try one of these shrimps. And that garlic herb butter, they're still very warm, but look at that. Perfection. Oh, that is so good. That garlic herb butter, oh, that's awesome on there with that seasoning, that Pit Boss hickory bacon. Oh, I'm telling you, you need to get you some of that hickory bacon rub that Pit Boss has. That is awesome. And this pan, oh, it cooked these perfectly. That's so good. That's in a meal in itself. Wow. So, that is a shrimp pan Let's see, who is it from? Gotta put my glasses on. So, like I said, I found this on Amazon. I followed Big Lew's link. Go check him out. Go to his description and click on his link. That way he gets a few shekels for sponsoring it. But it's a by Outset shrimp pan. And this thing, I'm telling you, it did an awesome job. And they're just beautiful. So anyhow, you saw how I did that. I just seasoned up the shrimp. I took the pan, I put it on the grill when it was nice and hot. I let it heat up for about 10-15 minutes. And then I put that garlic herb butter in each one of those pockets. So it kind of added a little flavoring to it. Then I set the shrimp down in there and I let them go for 5 minutes. And they're perfect. I mean, you can't get any better than that. So that's awesome. This thing is supposed to be real easy to clean up. I also on Amazon found this Good Grips cast iron pan brush with a scraper. This is what it looks like. So you can get down in there and just clean that all out. These are like nylon plastic. So that's kind of neat. You're not having to worry about, you know, bristles breaking off in them. And this thing is going to work pretty good. I'm going to use it on my grill grates too. But found both of these, like I said, found them on Amazon. But I went through Big Lew's since he's the one that showed this. And I'll have a link, like I say. Go to his video and then go down to his description and go through and find it. I think it was like, I want to say $29.99 maybe it was only $19.99. I don't remember, but not that expensive for a cast iron pan like this. That is awesome. We're going to use this a lot, I can tell already. So anyhow, we got to eat the steaks and the shrimp, so got to get busy eating. Like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Grill on, my friends.